Records show in the last decade, Omaha police have not punished any officers for discrimination and bias complaints made by citizens. A report from the Flatwater Free Press notes the complaints were dismissed even when settling a lawsuit on the issue. Of the 63 complaints in the last 10 years, public records show 4 of them resulted in the city paying out a total of $700,000 in settlements. OPD says they have methods in place to combat discrimination, including body cameras and training. The report also notes Omaha Police has become more diverse, with their workforce closely mirroring Omaha's demographics. We have linked to the full report by the Flatwater Free Press at wwt.com.